So here in Android Developer Tools, or which is the latest version of Eclipse, I have my project which is called Viv's Custom Toast. Inside that I have my appearance file. As you guys can see, this is the graphical layout. If I go over here to the XML view, you can see there's a linear layout over here. I have removed the relative layout which Eclipse generates by default and put linear layout to keep things simple. And I have a button over here that says Show Custom Toast, which you saw right here in the graphical layout. And next, if you see my Viv's Custom Toast.java file, which is inside my slidenode.vivs package over here, you can see there's an onCreate method and everything else is there as default. I have changed nothing. So the first thing, if you guys remember, is to actually make the layout of the toast, right? So let's go ahead inside our res folder over here. Inside the layout, just right click over here and I'm gonna say new Android XML file. The file name, I'm gonna say toast underscore layout, and let me click next. Okay, click finish, and bam, this is created, right? The toast underscore layout file is there. It has a linear layout. So let me actually put an image view. So before I put an image view and a text view, let me actually add my image over here, which is my slide nerd logo, right? So for that, inside this res folder, I'm gonna make a folder called drawable. I'm gonna say new folder. Now I could have put the same image inside either drawable SDPI, LDPI, MDPI, or XSDPI. These are nothing but basically the same drawable folder with qualifiers attached for different types of device density screens, right? So here I'm making this general drawable folder which will apply to all configurations. That is, any device with SDPI or MDPI or LDPI is going to use the same image. So I'm going to make a common drawable folder. Inside this, let me actually paste that image which is called logo.png. Okay, so at this point, if you guys see inside my drawable folder, there is my logo.png, which is my slide node logo. So now let me actually add the image view by going to the graphical layout. I'm gonna say images and media. Here there's an image view. I'm gonna go and drag it. It's gonna ask me for the resource. I'm gonna say logo asset, click OK, and there the image is there. And below this, I wanna add my text view. So I'm gonna go to form widgets, drag the text view over here, and I'm gonna give the text, rename the text view as hello. Again, the recommended practice is to put the text inside the strings.xml and simply add a reference to it over here, but I'm not doing that to keep things simple and fast. So here at this point, my layout has been completely defined. So let me actually go ahead inside my main layout file, which is this button over here, and let me define the behavior of what happens when the button is clicked. So for that, I'll add an onClick attribute inside the button by saying, so when the button is clicked, there's a show custom toast method will be called. Let me go ahead and make that method inside my Java file. So now when the button is clicked, this method public void show custom toast with this view argument will be called. So here let me make my custom toast. For the first step, if you guys remember, it's actually to create the object by saying toast is new toast. Pass the context by saying this inside, right? At this point, go ahead, set some properties by saying toast.set duration, say toast.length underscore long. I don't want to set any gravity. Oh wait, I'll set a gravity by saying toast.set gravity. It's probably the default, and let me just play with it by saying gravity.bottom. So now at this point everything is set. Now what I need to do is to take the XML appearance description and convert that into a Java view object so that I can associate that view object and tell the toast that hey, this is how you should appear. For that I need an object called layout inflator first. I'm gonna say layout inflator. At this point this layout inflator object has been instantiated. Nothing has happened yet. I need to actually do the process of conversion. I'm gonna say inflator dot inflate. It says two things, resource and root. So who should I inflate? I should inflate this file r.layout toast layout. And who should be the root? The root should be the guy linear layout, right? So r.id. We actually don't have an ID for the linear layout, so let's actually go ahead and make an ID for that here by saying id @ Android ID. I'm gonna call this root. Okay, that's all I need to call it. I'm gonna only call it root. So now here inside my custom toast I can go and say r.id.root, but remember this is an integer, this r.id.root. I need this to be converted to a view object, and if you remember the find view by id method actually does that. So I'm gonna say find view by id. I'm gonna pass this id inside. So now at this point what I have it converted into a view object, but still that is not enough because if you remember the parameters were int and view group. Now view group is a subclass of view, so I'm gonna simply go ahead and typecast it by saying view group. So at this point everything has been created. What I need to do is actually take now this inflator.inflate method, as I told you, actually does all this processing and returns us a Java object which represents the appearance of our toast. So I'm gonna call that view appearance, and this object contains everything which we have talked about so far, the layouts, the appearance and everything. So I'm gonna simply say toast.set view. As you guys can see, appearance over here. And now at this point I'm gonna simply say toast.show. So let's actually run this in our emulator and see how this looks. Select it on the left side, click run, Android application, click OK. Alright, so here my emulator is up and running and my app is running on my emulator. I'm gonna click on this button, show custom toast. And bam, there you go. You have my logo coming and you have my name on it below and it disappears. Again, if you click on it, it's gonna come again. And you see the layout is. So I hope you guys understood something out of this vid. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to my channel, comment, let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Have a nice day.